Hey friends, I'm John Laspina, your carnivore teacher, talking to you today about weight loss stalls. If you are going on the ketogenic, ketovore, or carnivore way of eating, you're eliminating starch, sugar, and hopefully seed oils. That's what's in ultra-processed food and fast food. And when you do that, over 60 to 90 days, you start to change your metabolism. It starts to function more efficiently. The mitochondria in all your cells begin to multiply and start working more efficiently. You become a fat burner instead of a carbohydrate burner. We lose weight. This is why I came to this way of eating 6 years ago, to lose weight originally. And then I realized the weight loss was a side effect to all these other amazing benefits that I've talked about in my past videos. I had 30, 40 great things happened to me, and weight loss was just one of them. It was a side effect. And some people do this. They have a lot of weight to lose. They may have 50, 60, 80, 100, maybe even 200 pounds to lose, and it will happen. But every body is different. Men, women, different decades in life and ages, body chemistries, medicines you might be taking, all of these variables, stress in your life, sleep in your life, exercise and movement, all of those variables play a role in how your body loses the excess fat. And some people lose it rapidly. I made a video about hair loss when you lose weight rapidly. Not mine. I'm genetically male pattern baldness, but when we lose weight, a lot of people they lose weight and then they hit a stall and they're plateaued. And it seems to be a really long time. And they're trying to stay on their carnivore, ketovore, or keto way of eating. And they think they're doing something wrong because they want to lose that extra weight, maybe 50, 60 more pounds, and they can't. It's stopped. They think they're done for the rest of their life, and they're not. You have to just allow your body to realize, hey, I'm still eating this way and I'm not starving, so you don't have to save my fat. I'm not in starvation mode. And eventually your body realizes you're not in starvation mode, and then the weight continues to come off. It does. Some people's plateaus and stalls last a week or two, and some people's plateaus and stalls last for many months. Continue to eat the proper human diet, and you will eventually lose the unwanted, unhealthy weight. The body knows that it's unhealthy to have all this extra weight on it, and it will eventually use your own weight as fuel. You'll use your own fat as fuel, but you have to give it time. It took a lot of time for you to get heavy. You're going to need to give yourself time to lose that weight. It does not happen overnight. Some people, they lose it pretty quickly, but most people hit a stall. They hit a plateau. Some people realize that they are deficient in something, and if they add more salt, because they weren't consuming enough salt, they weren't listening to their body signals and needing salt to taste, that pushed their plateau and they started losing more weight again. I had a subscriber mention that in one of their comments. They added more salt and all of a sudden the weight loss started happening again. I don't know if that's coincidence or their body just recognized that. Listen to your body signals. Don't overthink it. Just eat properly, the species-specific diet that we as humans are supposed to eat. And if you have more weight to lose, it will happen. Guaranteed. You're not going to keep unhealthy body weight, body fat on your body if you're eating properly. It's just going to take some time. Very similar to type 2 diabetics who have a very high A1C. Some people, when they eat properly, their A1C drops down to below 5.7 rather quickly, and they are in a healthy range. They're not diabetic anymore. Some type 2 diabetics, it takes time. It takes months to get that hemoglobin A1C down, to get that blood sugar down, to become more insulin sensitive. Everybody's body chemistry is unique and different. So give it time. As Dr. Ken Berry and Nisha Berry say in their videos, you need to use a lot of vitamin P. You know what vitamin P is? Patience. be patient. Persist. Be patient. Continue to eat properly. And I promise you, alliteration, right? That you will lose the unwanted weight. It will happen. And then really, this is not a diet. Don't perceive this as a diet. Perceive this as what it really is. It's a way of life. It's a way of eating for the rest of your life. And that extra weight that you don't want, that is too much, absolutely, positively will come off. I had a viewer once years ago that said, but how do I stop the weight from coming off if I get too skinny? That does not happen. Your body knows. It knows its optimal weight, and it will get to that, and you won't lose anymore. I've been eating this way for 6 years. I lost the weight. I continue to eat this way. I'm not continuing to lose weight. If anything, I'm building muscle. My bones are becoming more dense. My fascia is becoming more dense. So I'm actually putting on a little weight according to the scale. But I say never use the scale. Use a tape measure and how your clothes fit. It's a better guide to your weight loss journey. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like this message, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this with friends and family, and understand that a stall, a plateau, is normal. It's the body sensing that it thinks you're starving, and it just puts on the brakes for a while. And eventually, when it realizes that you're feeding it good nutrition and you're not starving, it will start burning off that fat, and you'll get down to your goal. Have a great day.